Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you want to change your WhatsApp notification tones and are wondering how, in today's video, we will be guiding you through the process. So, without any delay, let's just start with the process. You can start by launching the WhatsApp application on your phone first. Open it up, and once you open it up, you can tap on the more options in the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, from the given menu option that appears on your screen, you can tap on the settings option in the bottom right corner. After you tap on the settings, after you select the settings from the given menu, you can scroll down and find the option for notifications from the given options and tap on it within your settings. And once you open up notifications, here under messages, you will be finding option for call notification section and other kind of notification. You may look out for WhatsApp notification tone. We have for reminders, for messages, and for calls as well. So first of all, let's head over to messages and tap on notification tone. And when you tap on it, you can go ahead and set up your notification tone that you want. So you can just go ahead and select from the bunch of given options that appears on your screen. Similarly, you can head back and look out for group notification tone as well. You can tap on it, and from there you can just go over and select up your notification. Similarly, you can go to calls as well, tap on it, and that from here you can select up the notification, and that's it. So you can just go ahead and follow up this process and set up a notification for your WhatsApp application. Notification tones, it is pretty quick and easy. So that's it, guys. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.